Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another latest in beauty unboxing. My box and latest in beauty is my favorite subscription box because I get to pick my own items. It is also very affordable. It is going up in price a little bit starting with August. However, if you are an existing subscriber like I am, the price stays the same. The price that will go up though for us existing subscribers will be the one-off boxes, which will be the same for everyone. So now a 6-item box costs $12.95. For pro members, that means that you've been subscribed with them for 3 months or more. There is no postage and packaging. If you are not a pro member yet, you do have postage and packaging. I think it's $3.95. And then in August, if you sign up in August, it will be $14.95 plus $3.95 postage and packaging. So if you do want to get the $12.95 price, sign up before August. I'm hoping that this video is coming for August, but I am a little bit behind, so it might be quite late information. I do apologize if that's the case. One-off boxes will be $14.95 for everyone as well. Pro members still keep the benefits like the 15% off collection boxes, free postage and packaging on everything and things like that. I'm going to do a little review on my previous box, which is my June box. Last month I had only makeup. I went a little bit crazy on eyeshadow palettes. I had 3 eyeshadow palettes, 2 from Wet n Wild and 1 from Barry M. So between these, I like Barry M the most. I still have a video to come and swatching all of this and giving you my full thoughts on these. So far I like Barry M the most. I like the formula on it the most. Color wise, I think I like this one from Wet n Wild, which is the Call Me Sunshine. Then I had 2 lipsticks from Wet n Wild, one in Sandstorm and one in Bear It All. The Bear It All one is a more nudie color. It's kind of like a bit of a pinky nude, and then the Sandstorm one is also kind of nude but a little bit darker. They are both really beautiful, and yeah, I've been wearing them and they last for a little while as well, and they even last on me, which I'm really bad with lipsticks. So yes, pleased with these ones as well. And then the last thing I had in my box was from Suede, the CC cream. I really enjoyed this one. This is really easy to use. I've used it in the mornings where I had to get ready quick. So yeah, quite enjoying this one. And if it's still available, I do recommend it. It is supposed to adjust your skin tone. I don't know how it's going to work if you have a much fairer skin tone than me or a much darker skin tone than me. But it worked quite well for me actually. I was a little bit concerned about that, but it worked well. There's also a video of me testing these so you can see how they perform kind of live, so to speak. Now let's get into the July box. This item in here is the Hall of Fame. This is from Time Bomb, the Double Detox Charcoal Mask. Not too long ago I also picked a charcoal mask from Latest in Beauty. I think what I will do with those is put them in my put them away as gifts for people and things like that, because when this one dropped and I read what it's supposed to do, I'm like, this is kind of like a miracle mask, so I definitely want it. It looks really funky as well. Very futuristic. Reminds me of the Death Star a little bit. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Alright, let me read you what it's supposed to do. Black beads actually have charcoal in, and they're encapsulated to maintain their full potency. This delivery system keeps the charcoal from becoming diluted within the formula. Within the formula. Once the beads burst during application, they become activated for optimum removal of those funky, unhealthy particles and pollutants lodged within your pores. It also gently exfoliates and helps stimulate circulation without drawing out natural oils, so skin is left fresh, toned and glowing. So about this sounds really good. I can't wait to use it. Come back in August so you can see what I thought of this. If you're wondering about my t-shirt, it's a Hamilton reference. It says, "Pardon me, are you Aaron Burr, sir?" You know, Aaron Burr. So if you haven't watched Hamilton, I highly recommend it. It's on Disney Plus. Yeah, we're obsessed with it. I have the songs on repeat. Vitamin here is one of the earlier drops, and it is the Luna Daily Everywhere Wash. And I got this mostly for the intimate area because I'm without a wash for down there. But you can use it anywhere on the body. From what it says on here, it just has thermal water to maintain a healthy pH microbiome, vitamins A, E and F to lock in moisture, and prebiotic inulin complex to enrich the skin microbiome. Let me see how it smells. It's a fresh smell but not too fragrant. It doesn't have any soap or harsh chemicals from what it says on here, just natural balance in a wash. Next I got this. I'm really excited to use this as well. Molten Brown Shower Gel. It's called Suede Oris. Oh, that smells so nice. What Oris is obviously something that gives a scent, and then it also has jasmine and rose. So yeah, it smells really, really nice. Got a serum. I am kind of in need of a serum. This one is from Ageless and it's the Glow Booster Daily Serum. It looks so beautiful, beautiful packaging. I will admit that I was attracted to the packaging when I've done my pics, but I also needed a serum. Use this day and night, and it's supposed to be antioxidant, help nourish and smooth, and improve skin elasticity, enhance collagen production, and visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And everything about it should be like recyclable or sustainable. So yeah, another thing that I'm very excited to use. Everything I should be very excited to use because I picked the things myself, shouldn't I? I picked a mascara. This one is from Zao. Again, I was kind of intrigued by the packaging. I think this is like actual bamboo. Okay, this is what the brush looks like. It looks like a brush that I might like. Give this a go at some point. I'm not sure whether it will be within the next month, although knowing me and mascaras will probably be within the next month, so you will probably get a review next time. Also with that, because I picked that, I got a code, so you can see the code there if you're interested in it yourself. Let me see if there is an expiry on it. Yeah, it expires end of August. Picked is a repeat, and this is the Cinema Secrets makeup sanitizing spray. When I picked this in the past, I thought that I could maybe use it for cleaning, not just sanitizing, which is not the case. It's just for sanitizing, but I have used it, however, a lot more than I thought, and mine is kind of like there, so I thought I'd get a backup. It's always good to have something like this on hand. And then there is a lot of leaflet in here. I haven't picked anything from this brand, but there is a little leaflet with, do we have, yeah, we do have a code, 20% off your first order. So you can see it there. And they've also put a little freebie in here. They've put this from Amy. Which is the Glow and Bright Illuminating Moisturizer. Ooh, and it's 15 ml, so quite a nice size to try. Oh, smells nice. So these are my picks for July. If you also get latest in beauty, let me know what you picked in July in the comments down below. I'm actually really curious to know. I do watch other unboxings on YouTube because I'm very curious to see what people pick. It's just nice to see people's tastes and how they differ and the things that they go for, since this is so unique because you pick your own items. Enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you're not subscribed yet, I'm hoping you will subscribe to my channel and stick around. Thank you very much if you are subscribed. It means a lot. For watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!